Vietnam's booming ecotourism scene invites travelers to connect deeply with nature, culture, and sustainable communities. Whether you're trekking through misty highlands, paddling emerald waters, or learning traditional crafts, ecotourism in Vietnam offers enriching, guilt-free journeys. Join this guide to discover inspiring, mindful experiences that support conservation, empower locals, and spark lifelong wanderlust. Number 1. Explore the national parks. Vietnam is home to a treasure trove of more than 30 national parks, each protecting unique ecosystems and rare wildlife. Visiting protected natural areas helps support their conservation by paying entrance fees and participating in guided ecotours, and offers limitless opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and cycling. Some of the best are Ba Vai. Embark on an enchanting journey through mountains and lush forests, past secret waterfalls and ancient temples. Set at the base of the Ba Vai mountain, there's also a spa built around the natural hot springs. Phong Nha Bang. Discover the largest caves in the world, unspoilt jungles, and authentic homestays with mouth-watering farm-to-table dining. Cuc Phuong. As the oldest national park in Vietnam, this is a biodiversity haven that's essential to many rare and threatened species, like the leopard and Delacourse langur. Yac Don. Spanning 115,545 hectares, this is the best place to see elephants in an ethical and protected environment. Eco-guides take you through dense forest for a chance to see these rescued animals living freely and naturally. Vietnam also has a vast number of communities and cities dedicated to ecotourism, such as Hai Phong. The Cat Ba National Park here is part of the Ha Long Bay UNESCO World Heritage Site and features incredible biodiversity, limestone karsts, coastal areas, and no end of breathtaking trails. Number 2. Discover mangroves and wetland ecosystems. The mangroves and wetlands of ecotourism in Vietnam are biodiversity powerhouses and vital shields against coastal erosion. At UNESCO-listed Can Geo Biosphere Reserve near Ho Chi Minh City, guided boat tours reveal a world of saltwater forests, rare bird life, and traditional fishing villages. By visiting, you support conservation efforts that protect both wildlife and the communities that depend on these fragile environments. The serene beauty of these waterways offers a peaceful escape from bustling cities, reminding visitors of nature's resilience and fragility. Every trip here reinforces the value of protecting these living treasures. Number 3. Enjoy quiet trails and low-impact trekking paths. Not all adventures need to be extreme to be meaningful. Low-impact trekking and cycling routes in Vietnam allow you to explore pristine landscapes without leaving a heavy footprint. Wander through Phu Luong's terraced rice paddies, cycle along Ba B's lakeside paths, or take guided nature walks with local experts. These quieter journeys give you space to connect with nature at your own pace. Along the way, you may encounter wildlife, meet local farmers, or simply enjoy the calming rhythm of rural life. Every step you take supports responsible travel and preserves these trails for others to enjoy. Number 4. Relax on or in the water. If you love getting on the water, Vietnam will feel like paradise. From shimmering emerald bays to twisting rivers and hidden lagoons, waterways are a huge part of culture and ecology here. Choosing small, community-led boat tours helps to preserve the livelihoods of the local people and also keeps your tourism footprint low while discovering the unique landscape of Vietnam. In the north, Ha Long Bay's iconic limestone karsts can be explored on eco-certified cruises that prioritize protecting the landscape and reducing emissions. Or, hop into a kayak and float through quiet lagoons or visit the floating fishing villages. Further south, the Mekong Delta is a pristine example of slow travel. Traditional wooden sampans take you along narrow canals shaded by palms, stopping at family-run orchards and craft workshops along the way. If you want to witness the beauty of the underwater world, head to Phu Quoc or Nha Trang. Be sure to choose a responsible snorkeling and diving tour, and you'll have the opportunity to see a variety of colorful reef fish, nudibranch, octopuses, seahorses, eels, and possibly bamboo sharks or blue-spotted rays. Number 5. Stay in eco-friendly accommodations and farm experiences. Your choice of where to stay can make a big impact on ecotourism in Vietnam. Across the country, eco-lodges, homestays, and regenerative farms welcome guests seeking a lighter footprint. Think solar-powered retreats in Mai Chau, riverfront eco-cabins in the Mekong Delta, or hands-on organic farming stays in Dalat. Not only do these properties minimize environmental impact, but they also reinvest in the communities you visit. Many hosts are happy to share their sustainability practices, giving you practical ideas to bring back home. Staying in such places turns your trip into a story of both adventure and responsible travel. Number 6. Immerse yourself in the community. Community-based ecotourism in Vietnam allows you to connect with locals, support rural businesses, and learn about life here in an authentic, wholesome way. Rather than staying in a large hotel or resort, opt instead for homestays, where you can stay with local families, join in with daily activities, and learn about sustainable practices rooted in tradition. Villages in Sapa and Mai Chau welcome you into stunning rice terraces or stilt houses, guide you on treks through serene valleys and remote villages, and allow you to spend the evening sharing a home-cooked meal made from locally grown produce. In Ha Giang Province, you can learn traditional weaving or coffee cultivation. Number 7. Learn traditional crafts and cultural heritage. Ecotourism isn't just about nature, it's about culture too. Across Vietnam, small artisan villages are keeping centuries-old crafts alive. In Kim Bong near Hoi An, you can watch master carpenters build traditional boats or try your hand at woodcarving. In Mai Chau, ethnic minority artisans teach intricate weaving techniques. Supporting these workshops helps preserve heritage while providing income for local families. Many of these crafts carry deep cultural stories, allowing you to leave with not just a souvenir, but a meaningful connection to Vietnam's history. It's a way to travel that honors both people and place. Number 8. Zero-waste cooking classes. Eco-friendly travel in Vietnam can be deliciously educational. Zero-waste cooking classes teach participants how to prepare traditional dishes while minimizing food waste. These experiences often take place in local homes or community kitchens, where chefs share age-old recipes alongside modern sustainability practices. Expect to learn how to repurpose leftover ingredients, shop at local markets without plastic, and cook with every part of the produce, right down to vegetable peels and stems. Not only will you leave with new culinary skills, but you'll also gain habits you can take home to make your own kitchen greener. Number 9. Participate in plastic-free initiatives and cleanups. Vietnam's fight against plastic pollution is gaining momentum, and travelers can play a role. In Ha Long Bay, select green-certified cruises run zero-waste programs and organize cleanup activities in hidden lagoons. In Hoi An, the local plastic-free movement encourages visitors to explore markets with reusable containers and join beach cleanups. These small acts make a big difference for communities and the ecosystems they rely on. Plus, participating in a cleanup often connects you with passionate locals and fellow travelers, turning a simple act into a shared mission. Your efforts leave behind a cleaner, healthier destination for everyone. Number 10. Volunteer in eco-farms and agroforestry projects. For a deeper, hands-on experience, volunteer programs in ecotourism in Vietnam let you work side by side with locals. Near Dalat, sustainable forest gardens and community farms welcome travelers to plant trees, harvest crops, and care for livestock. These immersive stays offer insight into regenerative agriculture and the challenges and rewards of maintaining a balanced relationship with the land. Volunteering also fosters cultural exchange, as you share meals, stories, and traditions with your hosts. You'll leave not only with skills and memories, but with friendships that last long after your journey ends. When you choose to enjoy your time in Vietnam, be sure to plan ahead and only travel with licensed, experienced, ethical guides. It's always a good idea to set yourself a travel budget so you pace your spending, but be sure you also have a way to access emergency funds if necessary, too. With the right preparation and an open mind, an eco-conscious trip to Vietnam is a wonderful adventure that will leave you with lifelong memories and a new appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our world. If you believe travel should be more meaningful and sustainable, give this video a like and share it with someone who loves nature. Subscribe for more eco-friendly travel ideas, and if you want detailed guides and tips, you can find the full article on my blog in the description below. And tell me in the comment, would you choose ecotourism for your next trip? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next journey.